The Clever Farmer. In a faraway land where the sun kissed the golden fields, there lived a humble farmer, wise beyond his yield. His name was Idris, with hands rough and strong, but his mind was sharper than a river's song. He owned just one cow, one cart, and a patch of land. Yet people came from miles to shake his hand. For when trouble brewed or problems grew, they'd say, "Ask Idris, he'll know what to do." One day, the king's men came with a scroll. The river was blocked, it swallowed a toll. Floods are rising. Crops are dead. Find the solution, or lose your head. Many wise men tried and failed. With maps and numbers, they all derailed. But Idris sat beneath an olive tree, eyes closed, whispering, "Let the answer come to me. What's heavy like a mountain, yet flows like a song, can dig through earth, though it never stays long." The villagers paused, then Idris smiled. "Water. So we'll make it go wild. With nothing but logs, rope, and hay." He carved a path to lead water away. Not with force, not with might, but guiding nature to make things right. The river flowed like a dancer's grace, and not a single home lost its place. The king arrived, amazed and proud. He bowed to Idris before the crowd. "King speaks. You've saved the land without a fight. A mind like yours is a kingdom's light. So remember, young hearts, big muscles may boast, but the cleverest candle shines the most. When storms appear and troubles swarm, let wisdom be your truest form." Moral. Intelligence can solve big problems. Be clever, be calm, and let your mind lead. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe Ethical Echoes for more inspiring stories. So, keep watching. Thank you.